let's look at some of the important and standard results in algebra that can help us solve a few types of questions really quick. We have also seen the usage of these results in the earlier two questions, but there we had actually solved using the whole expansion. But now we can simply use the standard result to arrive at the answer much faster. Let's look at what I am talking about. See, x plus 1 by x whole squared. What is x plus 1 by x whole squared? What do we get? A plus b whole squared. So it will be a squared plus b squared, that is 1 by x squared plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1 by x. So x and x gets eliminated. So the point to be noted here is we can say that x squared plus 1 by x squared equals to x plus 1 by x whole squared minus 2, right? Plus 2, when it goes to the other side, we get minus 2. So this is one of the important results that we need to remember, apart from the various algebraic identities that we have already taken, so that we can solve some of the questions really quick, right? If you remember, this was used in one of the earlier questions. X squared plus 1 by x squared was a requirement. What did we do? X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So there we had actually simplified this way. But now on, we can simply remember that x squared plus 1 by x squared should be equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So just subtract 2 from the square of x plus 1 by x. We'll get what is x squared plus 1 by x squared. Likewise, x minus 1 by x whole square. X minus 1 by x whole square. What do we get? X squared plus 1 by x squared, right? A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So minus 2 into x into 1 by x. See, the point here is, since a and b are reciprocal of each other, this 2ab part will not have any variable. X and x again gets cancelled out, like in the previous case. We only are left with 2 or minus 2. Now we can conclude that x squared plus 1 by x squared can also be taken as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2, right? So we can say x squared plus 1 by x squared is also equal to x minus 1 by x whole squared plus 2. So this is another property or result which can, come handy while answering some of the questions. So x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, or x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. Likewise, how do we get x cube plus 1 by x cube, right? Generally, x plus 1 by x value is given, or x minus 1 by x value is given. We need to find out x squared plus 1 by x squared. Likewise, how do we get x cube plus 1 by x cube? Let's look at it. Just expand x plus 1 by x the whole cube. So what do we get? X cube, right? A cube plus b cube, 1 by x cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or 3ab into a plus b, right? Let's take that. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. So 3 into a into b into a plus b. A plus b is nothing but x plus 1 by x. Alright, so x plus 1 by x whole cube, or a plus b whole cube, is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. What do we see here? This 3ab will not have any variable, right? X and x gets eliminated. So we only have 3 into x plus 1 by x. So from this, the conclusion is x cube plus 1 by x cube will be equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Right? So we can conclude that x cube plus 1 by x cube will be equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 of x plus 1 by x. Right? So if you can remember this, solving questions related to x cube plus 1 by x cube, or let's say a cube plus 1 by a cube, would become really very easy. Right? X plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times of x plus 1 by x. So generally this value would be given, right? Let's take a very simple example. The question says x plus 1 by x equals to 5. Find out x cube plus 1 by x cube. We need not do the whole expansion here. Just remember this identity. X cube plus 1 by x cube is x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x whole cube, 5 cube, 125, minus 3 into x plus 1 by x is 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So 125 minus 15, 110 would be the answer. So that's how we can directly arrive at the required answer, just by remembering these identities here. Right? Otherwise, we'll have to go for the complete expansion. And in a similar form, we can say x cube minus 1 by x cube, right? Let's say x minus 1 by x is given, and then we'll have to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. We can say x cube minus 1 by x cube equals to x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 times of x minus 1 by x. So this is another point that we need to remember. So I think these 4 standard identities will help us solve a few type of questions much faster than the regular solution or the general expansion. Okay, so x square plus 1 by x square can be taken as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, or x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. And x cube plus 1 by x cube can be taken as x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times of x plus 1 by x. And x cube minus 1 by x cube can be taken as x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 times of x minus 1 by x. Let us now look at the next set of questions based on the identities that we have learnt just now. That is, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, or x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. And x cube plus 1 by x cube can be taken as x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times of x plus 1 by x. And x cube minus 1 by x whole cube can be taken as x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 times of x minus 1 by x. Let's look at the given questions here. Now question number 9, it says x plus 1 by x equal to 7. Then find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Now we don't have a direct formula, or we haven't taken any direct formula which can give us x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. What we need to do here is find out x square plus 1 by x square from the given expression, given equation, and then again square it to get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Let's see what happens. So x plus 1 by x equals to 7. So we can say that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 7 square minus 2. Alright, x square plus 1 by x square is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So 7 square 49 minus 2, 47. But our requirement here is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, which is square of what we have already obtained, x square plus 1 by x square. So take one more step. Now square on both the sides, what happens? See, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 will be equal to x square plus 1 by x square whole square. So we get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square. Again, x square and 1 by x square gets cancelled, right? So similar to the earlier step here. So we can say x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square whole square minus 2. What is the reason? X square whole square is x power 4, 1 by x square whole square is 1 by x power 4. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by x square. X square and x square gets cancelled. So we get plus 2. So subtract 2 so that it is balanced. So this can be taken as 47 square minus 2. Now what is 47 square? 50 minus 3. So 2500 minus 300 is 2209. So 2209 minus 2, which is equal to 2207. So the answer for the given question, that is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, has to be 2207. Let's say there is another step required, x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. Again square this and subtract 2. Right? So the idea here is based on simple identity, that is x square plus 1 by x square should be equal to x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2. Right? So if it is x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8, again we already know what is x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Just square that and subtract 2. So 2207 whole square minus 2. Right? And so on, we can find out the future steps. Look at 10th one. If x plus 1 by x equal to 2, then find x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. Quite similar to the earlier case, right? So what do? Find out x square plus 1 by x square, which will be equal to 2 square minus 2, 2. Then find out x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, right? And then take x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. So up to the first 2 steps, it is similar to question number 9. Then one more step will give us x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. So that way you can simplify this and find out the final answer, x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. But hold on, that is simply a waste of time. You're just ending up wasting a lot of time by following the step-by-step procedure. The point to be noted here is, in the earlier case, x plus 1 by x was equal to 7. Now finding out the value of x in this equation is a little complicated, right? We'll get an irrational value. We cannot just take some value of x that satisfies the given equation. But observe the question number 10 here. X plus 1 by x equal to 2. Well, the only solution for x in such a case is 1, right? X equal to 1, we get 1 plus 1 by 1 equals to 2. Right? There's no other value of x that can satisfy this. But in this case, finding out the value of x directly or mentally is not so easy. So we have to go for the step-by-step procedure. So clearly, from this, we can say that x is equal to 1. Alright, x plus 1 by x equal to 2. X has to be 1. Substitute here, our regular way of answering the questions. If you are able to find out the value of the variable from the given equation, just substitute that and get the answer. Otherwise, follow the complete procedure. So x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. 1 power 8 plus 1 by 1 power 8 will be equal to 2. Or not just this, let's say the given question is x power 64 plus 1 by x power 64. Right? It's as simple as x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. Answer has to be 2. Since the value of x equals to 1, it has to be 2 here. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So though we have learned a set of identities which can help us answer these type of questions faster, we need to be smart enough to avoid applying it in every question and wasting our time. Like example number 10 here.